Hi, my name is Chelsea from SIV Visions, and today I'm going to show you some of the more advanced elements in VisionX. As you can see, my example customer screen is already up. Let's have a look at the details. Now, today I'm going to focus on the web elements. At the top here, I have a fold group panel. I can simply drag and drop it into my screen, or I can go to an existing panel and click on the editing pencil. Here, I can easily choose between three different styles. The first option is a simple panel, the second is a group panel, and the third option is our fold group panel, which gives me both an icon and a title. Clicking on the editing pencil, I can define it as collapsible. If I do that and run it in the live preview, I can see that I can open or close the panel. Now, going back to the designer, you can see that there is no save or back button. I did this so I can create my own custom navigation. For that, I can use all of these elements here on the left. Going up to the standard elements list, I'm starting with a panel and drag and drop it into my screen. I'm also going to stretch the container the entire width of the screen. Now I want to put in some children, which I have discussed in another video. From the web elements list, I want a cancel button on one side, a save button on the other, and I also want some navigation options like next and previous. I'll add an export button. Then maybe a delete button. I'll put that a bit further out of reach from the other buttons so I don't accidentally click it. Now let's see what it looks like in the live preview. Here I can see all of the buttons I've put in. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching.